With FIO Art, your imagination is the canvas and AI is the artist. You can unleash your creativity in a groundbreaking way as your thoughts become visually stunning NFTs. So get ready to captivate the digital world as I walk you through a demo video to get your very own FIO Art. So in this step-by-step video, I'll show you how to mint your NFT, how you're gonna receive that NFT art, and also how you can view it in a secondary marketplace such as OpenSea. So let's get started with the step-by-step process on how to get your very own FIO Art. So the first step is to mint your NFT. You're gonna have to go to FIO.net and then you're gonna launch the FIO app. If you don't have a FIO account, go and create one. It only takes a few seconds. Then get your free FIO handle. Once you do that, you are ready to go. So what I'll do first is under FIO Request, I'm gonna send a FIO request, and then I'm gonna click on Other Tokens. Then I'm gonna pick the requesting handle. So these are 3 of the handles I have. I'm gonna do it from Web3 at Wallet. And then the chain ID is gonna be MATIC, so you can simply type that in. And also the token is gonna be MATIC. Now for public address, this is gonna be where your NFT is sent. So I'm gonna go and copy my public wallet address from one of the wallets that I have. So you can use any one that you want, wherever you want that NFT to go to. And I'm just gonna simply paste it here. Once I do that, I have the option where I can map my MATIC wallet address to this FIO crypto handle, which seems pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that off. Now request from is always gonna be art@FIO. And then I'm gonna click done. And the request amount does not matter because we're not actually requesting funds. We're just using this as a prompt to get our very own NFT. So for this, you can put any amount that you want. Now for the memo, this is where the magic starts to happen because you're gonna enter in your dream image text here, and this is what it's gonna be used in the AI program to generate your image. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Starry Night at the Beach with a candle and a bottle of wine, and then I'm ready to go ahead and send a FIO request. So I'm gonna click Send FIO Request, and then I'm gonna put in my PIN number, and then you can see my transaction is currently processing. So my request has officially been sent. And my address also has been mapped. So now we just wait because once our image is minted on the blockchain, then it's gonna be sent directly to that public wallet address. So it's really that simple, and I'm just gonna go ahead and check my wallet in a couple minutes and see if it's there. I'm gonna click on the ID, and here you can actually see the status of the transaction. So it looks like it's still working right now. Okay, so it looks like our NFT was actually executed, and I can see that by clicking on the status ID, and I can see the status says executed. So now that it says executed, it tells me that it should be there and it should be visible for you to view it. So I'm gonna go to a secondary marketplace that I commonly use, which is called OpenSea.com. And then I'm gonna go ahead and connect my Web3 wallet, which is just simply logging in and clicking on MetaMask and clicking on sign. I'm gonna click accept and sign. And then I'm gonna click on my profile. Then I'm just gonna filter it to Polygon. And because I'm not seeing it here, I'm gonna click on more. I'm gonna click on hidden and see if it put it there. Oh, and it sure did. So under hidden, I can see that it actually put my NFT here. So this was my newly minted FIO Art, and I absolutely love it. It looks super cool. So I'm gonna just click on that so you can see it. And you can see it was generated by a FIO Request using my wallet, Web3 at Wallet. And wow, this looks awesome. So there it is. You can actually see your personal piece of digital art, and the coolest part, it's now part of the blockchain. So you actually own it by owning this Web3 wallet, and you have a choice. You can hold on to it, you can cherish it, or you can even list it for sale. So to do that, you would just click list for sale, and you would actually put a price on it, put a price on the piece of art that you created. So I initially showed you how it did go directly into the hidden folder. So to get it back under your profile where you see it whenever you connect your wallet, you just go to the actual image, click on these 3 dots here, and then you're gonna click on unhide. By doing that and going back to your profile here at the top, you'll be able to see that NFT in your main collection. Now to view all of the FIO Request art, you can actually just click FIO Request Art, and you can see all of the ones generated by our FIO community, which is super cool to see the uniqueness of how it works and what other people created. That was really cool. To view your NFT on the blockchain, you go back to your wallet, click these 3 dots, click View on Explorer, so it's going to take me to Polygon Scan, and then if I click on NFT Transfers, I can see this actually executed 11 minutes ago and what it was for. So with FIO Art, your journey into digital art starts now. You can mint, send, and showcase your NFT with FIO Art. Unleash your creativity and be a part of something extraordinary. So FIO Art is where your imagination and our canvas join together. So join us now.